Hello everyone and welcome to today's No FOMO Charts YouTube video. Today's Friday, May 9th, 2025. It's after 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This month I'm going to try a different format for my YouTube. I'm simply going to review SPY chart and Bitcoin chart. The watch list of earnings and economic data, that will now go into the description and the community tab post. Also check out my trading view for more charts in the future. Let's start off with SPY. S&P 500 ETF. We bounced off this April 7th low. I'm on a weekly chart. This April 7th low of 488 price and rallied nicely on trade deal and tariff news. So we're stuck between these two lines, resistance and support. The support line in particular is very strong. 2 years of support. You can see in these three levels that I marked. So the fact that we marked a support level there and bounced off of that, we're now testing the key level resistance, which is 568. So keep in mind, an uptrend does not always go straight up. Sometimes we get pullbacks like in 2023. So two scenarios that can happen. We can pull back down to 536 or 512 or 522 level. We must hold above the 522 level this year to maintain an uptrend and keep us up in this market. So just beware. If the news and the events do not pan out the way we think, there could also be a dead cat bounce where we pull all the way back down to 490 or 500 levels. So that's the bearish scenario. I'm personally leaning towards the bullish scenario. If we have a healthy pullback, that's okay. And then bulls need to come in and buy and defend the level of 536 or 535 area. Need to keep an eye out on the news. Crypto. Bitcoin has bounced very nicely off the support level. April 7th as well was that low of $74,000. Bitcoin, $75,000 level. Now we established a weekly support trend line. This is the second bounce, and we're testing all-time high zone of the price. So I'm looking to see, will Bitcoin break above 105,000, 110,000? It does not have to happen right away. A healthy pullback is okay. However, this is Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin rallies, it rallies very powerfully. So all I have to do as an investor is simply just wait. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even the rest of this year, just wait. And so as long as the price holds above and stays above $100,000 Bitcoin, $93,000, $85,000, at the lowest $78,000 Bitcoin, then we should be fine to continue the uptrend for the rest of this year. However, if we test all-time highs and we cannot get above that, we double top or triple top this year, then the rally might be a dead cat bounce and we might fizzle down and plunge down below 90,000. However, that does not seem likely because of the strong bullish momentum that we've been seeing. So it's similar to November 2024. That's the feeling right now. And that's what I'm seeing on the charts. Thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to check out my trading view on YouTube for more charts. The watch list will go in the description and community tab below. Make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, click subscribe, hit the like button, leave a nice comment. And I hope you have a nice weekend. See you in the next video.